sitting around the other night talking about old sleds and stuff we did, and I remember I had a video of one of my first turbo sleds climbing Horsey Creek. It was an M1000. I was pulling wrenches at Mountain Magic at the time. Time of my life, right? Doing what you love to do, tinker, work on sleds, build shit. Loved it. Anyways, didn't even realize that this video was kicking around. It's an epic climb. The friends I was with were pretty shocked. It ripped up the hill pretty fast. So I think it was an 09, 08 or 09 M1000. We put a Aerocharger turbo on it. We're running, I think, 10 pounds of boost or 8 pounds of boost. The thing was a rocket. It was awesome. It needed some tuning, but for the initial part, for the first off, I mean, that's before all the fancy stuff started coming out. The better timing and all that stuff with the turbo kit. So now that was like a precursor, but it worked pretty good. I was hauling some ass. I was more scared on the way down. Yeah, coming down was nasty because the hill was to the left. It had a bad fall line to my left, and I was trying to carve up to the right. So when I came down, it wanted to drag me to the right down the hill. It was a little tricky, but you know, not too much. Oh no, we got tow out here, that's good. Who's growling? Is that the dog? That's good. But yeah, go check out that M1000 climb, guys. It's pretty cool. You'll like it.